Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the feathers that I used on this Ankara Loopy Rosy Fascinator. Yes, I know I said you should come to the Craft Academy, but I decided to bring it right down to your doorsteps. So before we get into it, I would like to introduce myself. It's Nkechi from the Vent, and I love to show you how to make great and unique, lovely fascinator designs. So let's get into today's training. So here is the feathers we'll be making. Looking hot, isn't it? Okay, so what we'll be needing is your Ankara pieces or any material, because you can use any material, scissors, your hat wire, the silver one, your chalk, your cutter, and needle. The needle is what you need, not the thread. I just use that to add some essence. Okay, so let's get into it. Yeah, so the first thing you want to do is check where you see where your material can flare, where it brings out pieces. And I'm going to be I tried measuring initially. Yeah, see, can you see those things are bringing out the feathers? Okay, so I wanted to measure out like that, but I changed my mind. Okay, then I just decided to cut a piece out. Okay, so the pieces you will need actually depends on the size of feathers you want. This was 1.5 by 3 inches, but I still cut out of it later. So this is how you start peeling it. Can you see what I'm doing? Start peeling the feathers like so, or peeling the material. Okay, see, I'm taking it slowly. Can you see? Like that. That's what you do. You take out the thread. You know, the materials are made, I think you have one going horizontal and one going vertical, so you can peel from either side to leave just one coming out. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, so keep watching and learning. Remember, if you stay to the very end of my videos, you do get a bonus, or to attend the challenge that would give you a gift. So always stay to the very end of my videos. Thank you. And also remember to subscribe and click the bell button so you get all my upcoming videos. Okay, so you can take your needle to help you make it easier. There's sometimes it will get stuck and you need to get your needle to bring it out better. So that's where I make use of the needle that I told you we'll be using. So you're going to be doing it on both sides of the material, on the left and on the right. Do you understand? You're going to be removing the threads from the left side and from the right side. So you start on one side and you're going to make sure that you're doing it at the same width. You're removing them at the same width on both sides. Okay, now if you participated in any of the challenges, that's if you stay to the end of my previous videos, do check them to see if you were the winner, and do send me a WhatsApp that you were the winner, cropping what you wrote and where I stated that you are the winner, so I would give you your gift. Okay, so back to this training. So we are still peeling off the horizontal threads. Yeah, I think those are the horizontal, isn't it? Okay, so keep watching and learning. Okay, so as you're removing the threads from the material, you're going to ensure the piece of material threads. You're going to ensure that you leave a line, a thin line in the middle. You're not going to remove everything because you want to have the middle of the feathers where you're going to place your wrapped hat wire. Okay, keep watching and learn. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is shape your feathers, give it that curvy look, depending on how you want your feathers to look. So I'm shaping it right now so that it will taper at the end sort of and go bigger at the down. Alright, just like a leaf. I made mine to look like a leaf. So keep watching and learn. So before we proceed, the Craft Academy presents Fascinator Class 3. Now we're going to be premiering this class on the 23rd of October. Even if you don't get it, it will still be available. So get into the description of this video and click on the link for the Craft Academy reception and ask for Fascinator Class 3, and you get to learn how to make this great lovely designs. So back to our training for today. Now you take your bronze hat wire. Now the length I used previously was 8 inches, so I'm going to be cutting out 8 inches. Okay, so let me clear my table. Alright, so you take your material. This was my Ankara that I made use of, but you can make use of any material, that's the truth. So I measure out 1 inch. Now you're going to be making this material like the way you do your bias. Do you understand? If you see bias turns into from the left to the right to the middle. So that's how I'm going to be doing this material. After I cut it, you see what I do. I'll fold it to the middle on the left and on the right. So let's put our glue first of all. I made use of B6000 here, but you can make use of glue gum. Anyone is appropriate at this moment. Okay, so I'll take my Ankara and I'll fold it into the middle, the left and the right. Can you see what I did? Let me do it again. You fold the left and the right into the middle. So I'm now going to take it and take it round my hat wire. Now it's the bronze hat wire that I made use of. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to wrap this whole hat wire with the Ankara. So keep watching and learn. Now if you're gaining value from this video so far, please do give me a thumbs up. Look below this video, you will see the thumbs up icon. Press it so I know that you're gaining value, and it will encourage me to do much more. Thank you. Okay, so once you're done, remember the middle part of that feathers that you just made, you're going to be putting your glue in the mid part, like so. That's why you leave that space so that the hat wire would be placed there. So I put my glue on that midpoint that was left, and I take the stick and attach it like so. And that's how you make your Ankara feathers. Doesn't it look lovely? Yes, and that's how we got to make this lovely Ankara loopy fascinator. So for staying with me till the very end of this video, I would like to give you a bonus. Yes, so in the Craft Academy, I just give a tip on what to do this season period to ensure that once you have an order, your mold is ready to go. You can meet orders within a space of 1 day. So before I go, I would like to say thank you for watching. Do stay tuned and God bless.